Hello there, and this is Nerd in the Corner, and I'm going to make my second video today about speeding up your PC. Now, this is going to be a more advanced version because since I got so many hits on the first video, I'll put a link in the description to that video, and that's more basic, so just keep on liking my videos and viewing them, and subscribe as always, and I'll keep making them. So in this video, it's kind of more advanced. We're going to do trying to minimize the amount of RAM your computer is going to use in everyday use. So RAM is basically how quickly your machine will process the information it's gathering. Now, it's important that you try and minimize this because not all systems have very good RAM, and it's just an easy way to speed it up. So to do this, we're going to go to Start menu, right click, go down to Properties, and then this is going to pop up, and we're going to want to go to Advanced System Settings. Now, we're going to change the way Windows looks, and this is just going to make it so your computer, Windows takes less RAM, and basically it's easier for the computer to use, freeing up more RAM to do whatever you want with. So we're going to go down to Advanced tab, hit Performance, Options. Now we'll see there's three. There's Let Windows choose my best for my computer, Adjust for best appearance, Adjust for best performance, and Custom. I have it on Custom. Now, you're going to want to go up and hit Adjust for best performance. Now this unchecks every box. I personally cannot stand it, and I have to have these two basic ones up, or it drives me crazy, and it's not worth it. I would rather have the RAM used. So you're gonna apply those. Next, we're gonna go back to the Start menu, and if you're running old, it'll be different. But in the little search engine, I want you to hit Run. Then here, I want you to type msconfig. You can pause the video to type it in correctly. Now, it's going to bring up this little menu that we're going to hit start up. Now, this is a list of all programs on your computer. There's some more, but that's not listed. And when you start up your computer, these are going to start up with it. So, just start checking off the ones you know the name of. Like, I don't use Steam or Skype when I start up my computer, so you're going to unclick those. And if you don't know what it is, don't unclick it, because, you could hurt your system or just make it run slower in the end. So, I don't know why I checked off AVG. That's actually really important. You should never check off your anti-spyware. I catch myself later on. Yeah, right there, I catch myself. But yeah, that's a big no-no because that leaves your computer like you don't even have it. Xfire, iTunes I don't use when I start. QuickTime, VMware. So now we're gonna hit apply. Now we're gonna go over to services. Now these are ones that are currently running. Now first thing is you want to hit hide all Microsoft services because that's pretty important. Now this one, you're going to notice a whole bunch that you don't understand. That's alright, but just unclick anyone that you understand that you don't want running on your system. Like me, VMware, I don't need running. TeamViewer, I don't need those running. iPod, I don't own an iPod, so I don't need the Apple thing running. It's junk, and this is a RAM hog right here, and it just uses so much RAM in your computer, it's not even worth it. So I'm unchecking those, and now you're gonna hit OK, and this is gonna greatly increase your RAM speed, and when you restart, you're gonna notice a big difference. Please rate and subscribe if it helped. Thumbs up. If not, leave me a comment. I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Also, you know, tell me what the next tutorial should be, cause I'm kind of flying solo here, and I love to hear your feedback. Alright, peace out. Have a good day.